How to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, say for example that you have followed too many pages or people and now you want to unfollow them in the fastest way possible. Actually, the process is very easy. Just follow these steps. Once you are on your home page right here, go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top right corner. And then you need to navigate to your settings. And here, what you need to do is you need to click on the search bar at the top and search for newsfeed. Click on the result and here you will see you have a lot of options. One of them is unfollow, so click on it. And here you will find all of the pages that you have followed, people and pages. And in order for you to unfollow them all, you just need to click on the pages that you want to unfollow, and by doing that you are actually selecting them. So let's refresh the page, let's go back and click on it again, and as you can see we have unfollowed a bunch of them in a very fast manner and very short time. So as you can see these 9 right here, just click on all of them and then refresh the page, and as you can see you have just unfollowed all of the people, pages and groups in a very fast manner, and you can do the same for your account. Now if you are looking for a way to unfollow them all at once, you cannot do that unfortunately as of right now. However, I just showed you, this is a very fast way that allow you to do that in like literally seconds or minutes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.